Paulus United States dollar exchanges closed 32 cents in a kind of significant manner. Star Atlas Dow cost investigation fundamentally is negative today, or so they generally thought. Paulus fall 4.42% in 7 days, or so they for the most part thought. Paulus's especially intraday volume by and large stands at $305,944, showing how Star Atlas Dow cost examination explicitly is negative today, which generally is genuinely huge. 11 November 2023, in this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Star Atlas Dow cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually sort of clarified some pressing issues, facts, what certainly is transient cost expectation for Star Atlas Dow, in every practical sense, is Paulus a very wise venture? Which by and large is very huge. Star Atlas Dow support and opposition levels and so on, which essentially is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Paulus specialized examination, especially let us by and large discussion about the really current economic situations in an especially enormous manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,410,776,640,034, which in every practical sense is very huge. The complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $65,076,358,619, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.27% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33% in an exceptionally significant manner. Which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,014.19 level after a vertical development of 0.94%, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value diminishing of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that the really complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $65,076,358,619, or so they essentially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time span incredibly. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP, truly is up by 2.28 and right now exchanging at 67 cents in an especially significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions fundamentally show that the market essentially is going in an especially descending heading for certainly present moment, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging sort of profound into the Paulus specialized examination, in a real sense let us in a real sense discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, a very broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how Star Atlas Dow cost examination truly is negative today, which basically is genuinely huge. Star Atlas Dow execution. The sort of current Star Atlas Dow cost in a real sense is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, showing how Paulus's kind of intraday volume for the most part remains at $305,944, showing how Star Atlas Dow cost examination by and large is negative today in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, Paulus especially is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, which certainly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $249.78, following a value change of 1.26% within a similar time span, which sort of is genuinely huge. Star Atlas most certainly is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the conjunction of cutting-edge blockchain, continuous illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and genuinely decentralized monetary innovations, exhibiting how Star Atlas Dow support and obstruction levels, and so on, or so they basically thought. Constant Design's innovation utilizing unbelievable Motor 5's nanite considers true-to-life quality computer game visuals, which explicitly shows that as of now, a very broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Star Atlas Dow cost investigation basically is negative today, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out it to a great extent serverless and got interactivity experience, which generally is genuinely huge. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that imitates the substantial quality of especially true resources and possession, genuinely further appearance how market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,410,776,640,034, or so they really thought. The most effective method to by and large partake in a significant manner. To offer during the IEO, truly ensure you by and large read the standards underneath and in every practical sense, do the accompanying in advance. Register commonly your FTX account and basically submit kick level 2, showing that Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on. Which especially is very huge. Because of a fundamentally huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that extremely your kick will explicitly be endorsed before the IEO. Exceptionally further appearance, how Star Atlas basically is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the conversion of best-in-class blockchain, continuous designs, multiplayer computer game, and sort of decentralized monetary advances, exhibiting how Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on, or so they by and large thought. If it's not too much trouble, for the most part be encouraged to especially submit kick when truly conceivable and truly get endorsed to generally be in every practical sense qualified for the IEO, which truly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours. Exhibiting that the truly all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $65,076,358,619 in a very significant manner. Note that you should especially have something like 150 FTT marked on FTX to take part in the IEO, and that you truly get in every practical sense more tickets assuming you stake more in every practical sense. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the Paulus specialized examination, basically let us explicitly discuss the truly current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO really starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., exhibiting that especially if it's not too much trouble, sort of be informed to kind with respect to submit kick when especially conceivable and by and large gets certainly endorsed to commonly be qualified for the IEO, which explicitly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value decline of 1.29%, coming to $2,062.29 during the past 24 hours, showing that the very complete exchanging volume generally remains at $65 billion.